The sign said this watermelon is ready to harvest right now. I'm gonna give you all the tips when to harvest the watermelon. We're gonna cut it, and I'm gonna tell you exactly what I add to keep a healthy watermelon plant. And come in the morning time, that's when to harvest the watermelon. You have the best flavor because the plant is most healthy. Our watermelon right here. Follow the main stem, and right here, when you see this tendril right here is brown, it's like twirly. Once it's brown, it's a sign it's ready, but do not harvest right away. You want to turn the watermelon around. If we got a yellow spot, that's another sign right there. And if you see this like web right here, it's a good pollination. It's a good sign the watermelon is sweet. You'll see sometimes they have like scratches and stuff. Don't freak out. And then you'll see this, the skin outside is dull, it's dark, and then knock it. You knock, it sounds hollow. If you see all this and you're not too sure, you could always leave it for a week to 2 weeks so the watermelon is ripe. Let's go ahead and harvest. No time to waste. Let's see how this baby is going. Cutter. Oh, look at that. Let's see. Wow, nice. Wow, I could even smell it. Wow. All right, so I got an up close right here. You could see the seed. We could always save those seeds. Wow, this looks juicy and delicious. All right, so I'm gonna cut it up, call the kids maybe, see if they're gonna try a piece. I'm excited about this. I left this watermelon after 1 week when all the signs said it was ripe. You guys could even leave it 2 weeks, but no more than that. Wow. Holy smoke. I'm sorry. It's really good. That's why they call it sugar baby. It's very, very sweet. It's juicy. It's delicious. It's definitely worth it. The way I keep my plant healthy is I water every 1 to 2 days lightly. Either you water in the morning or you water in the evening time. The other thing you have to do is to keep fertilize. You could add a 10-10-10 rate fertilizer, or you could add a organic garden tone or just a organic fertilizer all-purpose overall. And what I would do, I would increase the nitrogen a little bit and the calcium a lot more. The watermelon need calcium. Calcium helps build this cell wall outside, protecting it from rotting at the bottom. Especially when it's resting on the ground, it could get rotten over there. Another thing, always put a piece of plywood or some straw or some kind of stuff to keep your watermelon in place. Do not put cardboard because when it rains, it'll wash it off. You do want to keep your watermelon off the ground, kind of. It protected, it's more safe. Sprinkle some used coffee ground 1 to 2 times a month, and that will boost the nitrogen. Prune your watermelon plant to save space. You could prune out 1 or 2 the side shoots at the front and prune out a couple of leaves over the root, and you have a great watermelon production overall. All right, thank you so much for watching Green Tea Garden. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Question, comment below. I would love to answer it, and I'm really grateful and thankful for a watermelon harvest coming out right at home. We don't have to go to the store and buy, and we get delicious watermelon. I'm telling you, sugar baby watermelon, it's small, it grows fast, and it's worth it.